Welcome to Moo Math and Science. In this video, I'd like to talk about X-linked inheritance. What do color blindness, hemophilia, and male pattern baldness all have in common? They are all X-linked traits. An X-linked trait is a trait attached to the X chromosome. Females have 2 chromosomes, and males have an X and a Y chromosome. The X chromosome has roughly 800 genes compared to the Y chromosome, which only has around 70 genes. Let's look at hemophilia, which is a recessive X-linked disease. Here's what the Punnett Square looks like for a father who has the disease and a female who is a carrier. Although it is similar to a monohybrid cross, the Y isn't dominant or recessive. It's just kind of, no presence. In fact, there are only 2 ways a female can inherit hemophilia. If the father has the disease and the female is a carrier, or the father has the disease and the mother also has the disease. Many times X-linked traits will be more common in males than in females. So there we go, X-linked inheritance. Traits found on the X chromosome. Thanks for watching, and Moo Math uploads a new math and science video every day. Please